Hey, I'm Jake, and I have a marketing agency here in Chiang Mai. And I'm always getting the question from businesses, how do we actually get more consumers from the Thai market as opposed to outside of Thailand or expats inside of Thailand? I don't have the answer to that. So what I did is I went around Chiang Mai, looked for people who actually have experience in this exact thing, is building businesses for the Thai market. That would be really practical and useful for all of us. So on August 23rd at CNX Backstage, we're going to be having an afternoon where we're going to be hearing from three different speakers: Nua from Wildside and Leaf, Ern from the Coco Club, and many other businesses that she runs, and also from a marketing agency that specializes in the Thai market and works for some really big brands throughout Thailand. There'll be short presentations. We're going to try to keep them as practical as possible. And there'll be a Q&A with each speaker. There'll be two different breaks for networking where you can chat with the speakers and talk about your use cases and see what they might recommend. I hope you can join us if this has been on your mind, how to pivot your business or how to attract more Thai consumers to your business for longer term stability that isn't so reliant on maybe tourism or market conditions in other countries. So hope you can join us.